This concludes OpenGL Essentials live lessons. In these lessons, you've been introduced to modern OpenGL, 3D mathematics, and a number of real-time rendering techniques. You began with an exploration of the OpenGL graphics pipeline, an examination of a C++ application framework, and you implemented a number of introductory applications. Then you dove into the mathematics behind 3D graphics, exploring vectors, matrices, transformations, and coordinate systems. And you put this material into use throughout the lesson series. Next, you learned about providing shader inputs, OpenGL buffers, and loading and rendering 3D models. And you discovered texture mapping and texture wrapping and filtering modes, all the while extending your knowledge of GLSL and the OpenGL API. You continued your exploration by implementing a number of techniques for lighting 3D objects. You developed vertex and fragment shaders for ambient lighting, diffuse lighting, specular highlighting, point lighting, and spot lighting, and demonstration applications to accommodate each of these techniques. Finally, you developed skybox and environment mapping shaders, implemented fog, color blending, and normal mapping demonstrations, and surveyed a number of additional rendering topics, including post-processing, shadow mapping, skeletal animation, geometry and tessellation shaders, deferred rendering, global illumination, and compute shaders. I hope you've enjoyed this series and are inspired to continue your exploration of OpenGL and real-time rendering.